So this is a modified airbox. These openings have been opened up bigger, larger. This is the velocity stack that you got. Notice it fits down in there. See this ridge here? This ridge is the no-go gauge. So go, no-go gauge. If it fits through cleanly, then this is opened up. This is opened up big enough that these will fit inside the rubber grommets. These, after they've been modified. Let me take one of these out. See, once these have been cut down, this will slide. This goes in there. Then when this slides in, it expands this rubber. Since this hole, look, you can see right away the holes are different side by side. Look at how much bigger that is compared to that. No go, it no fit. So since it doesn't fit, you've got to open it up bigger to allow it to fit. As I described it in the video, but maybe it wasn't real clear. See how that fits all the way through? I mean, you don't have to make it huge. If you're looking now, it just barely makes it through there. It's got enough clearance to cleanly fit through all the way around. Ignore this one. This was a test one. But if you notice here, doesn't fit. It's not close. It's too small. So that's what I was saying in my video, my other video. You've got to open this up. Whatever method you use to expand it. Dremel tools, filing for 3 or 4 days straight, or whatever you got to do to open it up in a uniform round. So this fits all the way through like this one. So that when you put this boot in there after you've cut it down, that when you put this inside there, this isn't cut down, so I really can't show you. When you put this in there, this can expand inside here enough to allow that to fit and still be a tight fit. If you open this up too much, it'll be too loose and it will potentially flop out. So only open it enough to where this cleanly fits through all the way around. That makes sense.